अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, खुश आमदीद। आप सबको सुहेब के दुनिया में स्वागत है। So everyone is doing well, everyone safe and healthy. So today I am preparing Chatpata sev puri. This is a simple and easy recipe, so anyone can prepare it. Let's get started. So firstly, we'll prepare dates tamarind chutney. Ingredients required for chutney are dates half cup, jaggery 1/4 cup, tamarind 1/4 cup. Add 2 cup water to it. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, salt as per taste, mix it well, boil it for 15 minutes, then allow it to cool. Then once cooled, make a smooth paste. Now the finally smooth paste is ready. Now sieve it. Chutney is ready. Cool it in refrigerator for 10 minutes. I already had a puris at home. Now take a pan, add oil to it, then fry the puris. Items required for stuffing: as per quantity of puris you have save, coriander leaves, onion, dates, tamarind chutney. Now let's stuff the puris. Take a puri, add all items. It is ready. Now.